Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the command palette so you can change the theme quickly. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P or CMD plus Shift plus P, then type Color Theme and choose Preferences, Color Theme. You'll see a list of themes and a live preview as you navigate. This is how you confirm visual changes without committing. Once you find a dark theme you like, press Enter to set it. Make sure to test both editor and workbench contrast for readability before moving on. Once a base dark theme is active, you can refine details to suit your eyes. If built-in themes aren't satisfying, open extensions and install a curated dark theme, then reopen the color theme picker. To tweak colors precisely, edit settings. JSON and add workbench. Color customizations, this overrides UI elements. For syntax differences, use editor. Token color customizations to adjust keywords or strings. These steps let you shape contrast and color balance, so code elements remain distinct and accessible during long sessions. You finish by saving preferences and ensuring consistency across sessions. Optionally set workbench. Preferred dark color theme in settings so synced devices prefer the same dark theme. Once done, restart VS Code if the interface still shows light colors. A quick restart often clears caching quirks. If colors look wrong, make sure to disable or check extensions that modify themes. They can override your settings. If problems persist, revert to the default dark.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.